Walang may gusto sa RC na to. Pero ako, gustong-gusto ko siya. This is the WL Toys Vagrant Speedster. Ang pangit ng pangalan. Ang definition kasi ng Vagrant based on Google, it can be a migratory creature found far outside its normal geographic range or migration route. Medyo one of a kind nga naman to. Kaya siguro Vagrant. Tara, pag-usapan na natin yung specs nitong RC. Out of the box, this is what you will get when you buy this RC. In this plastic bag, included is of course your charger, a screwdriver to fix the RC. Yung ibang screws nito kasi hex. Pero ang sinama nilang screwdriver is a Phillips head. Reloads para sa springs, may 4 na piraso, and then a tool to remove the tires. And then your manual. I was reading to the manual, not too bad for WL Toys. Medyo maganda yung manual and yung description niya, maganda yung breakout and illustrations. Parang kinopya niya sa Tamiya, which is not really bad. So, ka-highlight lahat ng mga parts and everything. This is a 1/24th scale micro battery. Check nyo na lang yung separate video ko about RC scales para makita nyo yung difference of sizes ng mga RC. Two-wheel drive, so that means it's rear wheel. So, motor niya nasa likod. Power sa 2 wheels in the back, so it's 2-wheel drive. When you purchase this will be RTR. So the RC is fully proportional. 2-wheel drive, rear wheel, forward, reverse, brake. Yung battery niya is 2S, 350 milliamperes, give you around 20 minutes of playtime. Suspension niya, 4 shocks around, but hindi siya oil-filled, so medyo bouncy siya. Meron ding built-in gyro, yung ESC. So, merong knob dito to increase the gyro trim. So, once you increase the gyro trim, you hear that. Kung naririnig nyo yung whining sound na yun, it keeps it level. Meaning, pag tumatakbo ka, it will allow you to stay on point. On paper, it says it has 3 speed modes. Meron siyang 1, 2, and 3. But to be honest with you, sobrang liit ng differences ng 3 speed modes niya. Halos hindi mo mahalata. May plug rin siya for optional LEDs just in case you want to change the bodies and gusto mong kabitan ng lights or headlights or something like that. Yung body niya is also made out of Lexan. The design is not bad. May napansin lang yung brother ko. Pasod sa gilid, Jeepney Racing. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero baka Pinoy ang designer ng RC na to. I don't know. The chassis is plastic. For this scale, I think this is not bad. One thing lacking lang dito sa RC nito na napansin ko is its low speed control. Medyo tumatalon kagad siya to a certain speed pag binabago yung throttle. I don't know if that was done by design, but it is a little bit harder to control at low speeds. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-speed up when you're running on ground. It has a regular servo just in case na masira. And this is the V2 body where you can actually remove the battery. Hindi mahirap lang. At kailangan mo tanggalin yung servo. Then you'll be able to remove the battery itself. Yung V1 kasi nito, you will not be able to remove the battery. It's permanently placed underneath. So, medyo if you want to change batteries, you want to play again, if meron ka spare batteries, mahirap siya tanggalin. For me, the biggest selling point nitong RC na to is its potential to be upgraded. Though, medyo masikip siya, but there is really big potential since ang dami niyang available aftermarket parts because of the low C Micro B. Clone siya eh, and I think most of the stuff in here, we can upgrade. Pero syempre, with any RC, I don't think you need to upgrade everything. Just upgrade the stuff that you will be needing to make it run better, behave better, and things like that. You don't need to upgrade everything. For our purposes, ang first thing na upgrade ko dito is, of course, electronics. I don't want this. And motor, maybe I will retain, but I will most likely replace the ESC and receiver with something else. Separate video about that. I don't support copying of other people's work. I'm sure, ang laking pagod na inabot ng mga designers sa gumawa ng Lossy Micro. Pero syempre, because of this cloning, may mga benefits din naman. This is good for people out there who are trying to get into the hobby. Gagastusin mo just to get into the hobby will be way cheaper because of clones. Normally, magkano ba magagastos mo if you go with the Lossy Micro B? The Lossy Micro B retails for around 9,000 to 11,000 pesos. This buggy, I'm selling it for just 2,000 399 pesos. Ang laking diferensya nun. Yung 5,000 mo na masisave, pwede mong gamitin for upgrades. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi mo naman kailangan i-upgrade lahat. Upgrade mo lang yung kailangan mo. Unahin mo yung wheels, electronics, and yung shocks. Kung interesado ka sa RC na to, PM mo lang ako. I have a few items on stock.